Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to transfer money from Bitget to Binance. So before starting this video, make sure to like our video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start our video without wasting any time. Open your Bitget. Once you open Bitget, tap on assets on the bottom right corner of the screen and you will be brought into your wallets. Now the next step is to click on withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw, tap on search and search for the crypto coin or the currency you want to transfer from Bitget to Binance. In this case, I will select USDT as an example. So once you select USDT or any coin and then tap on chain withdrawal, which is the first option. So now we have to select the withdrawal network, and once you select the withdrawal network, now the next step is to open Binance application. Once you open Binance, tap on your wallets on the bottom right corner again, and over here tap on deposit. Again search for the same coin, so here I will search USDT and then tap on USDT. Now here we have to choose the same network, so here it is my BEP20. Now we have to copy this deposit address and now come back again into your Bitget. So over here in the withdrawal address, paste that address. After pasting the address, type the withdrawal amount you want to transfer from Bitget to Binance. After writing down the withdrawal amount, tap on withdraw and then you have to confirm your payment. Once you confirm your transaction, you will be notified through an email that you have successfully transferred money from Bitget to Binance. So this is how you can easily transfer money from Bitget to Binance, and I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel.